Hello everyone, this is Paul Benedict here. It's Tuesday, May 11th, here to give you a market update on Las Vegas real estate. Last month when we talked, things were crazy in the market, and this month, things are still crazy. Let's dive in and check out what's been going on for the past month. What is the median price of a detached house in the Las Vegas Valley? Our April numbers are showing that the median price is $377,000. Wow. Look at the difference between $365,000 and $377,000. That is over a 3% increase in 1 month. Wow. The economists that I like to follow, they tell us that a healthy market should appreciate between 3 and 5% a year. We had 3% appreciation in 1 month. So this is every house that's sold in Las Vegas that's a detached single-family residence. 377 is what the number is for that. Sales volume. Last month in April, our metropolitan area absorbed 4,418 properties. That's down just a little bit from March's number of 4,605. So we're selling a lot of properties. We would be selling far more properties if there were more available to be sold. We still are faced with the very disconcerting situation in our market where we have a very, very low inventory. Let's look at that next. How many houses are for sale in Vegas? As of this morning when I pulled this number, there are 2,699 pieces of real estate, residential real estate available for sale in Las Vegas. Oh my gosh, that is virtually nothing. That's about half a month of inventory. We as a city, we have about 2.3 million people. And for a balanced market, we should have about 1% of that number in houses that are available for sale. So we should have about 23,000 houses for sale to create a balanced buyers and sellers market. And we only have 2,700 listed. So it's causing pandemonium in the market. As I mentioned a moment ago, our absorption rate is 0.6 of a month. So it's about 2.5 weeks. So if no new houses were listed for sale, everything that is for sale would be gone in less than a month. Very strong seller's market. If you're considering selling, I have some very, very important suggestions for you. You might be thinking, well, where am I going to go? If the market's so crazy, I won't be able to buy anything. Exactly. Sell high and then wait for the market to change before you buy again. Well, then you might be saying, well, I don't want to move twice. Well, you don't have to. What we're doing for our clients is we're helping them negotiate free rent in their current house. So you sell now, take your proceeds, put it in the bank, stay in your house, be a tenant, and we'll negotiate potentially free rent for a while. And then if you want to stay longer, we can negotiate a monthly rent. You stay in your house. When the market changes in 6 months to a year from now, you buy something and the market will be softer then, most likely, because it can't stay like this forever. There are options for you. Capitalize on the craziness that's going on out there right now. This is an interesting graph that I don't talk about all that much. Percentage of cash buyers in the market. Out of the 4,418 properties that sold last month, 28% of those properties sold to cash buyers. And you see, ever since COVID happened last year, so lockdown happened in mid-March, the percentage of cash buyers dropped way down because investors pulled out. But now, cash offers are very prevalent once again. And when a seller is faced with choosing an offer in a multiple offer situation, they're most likely going to choose a high cash offer because cash offers don't have the loan contingencies. Cash offers don't have any problems with underwriting and they don't have any appraisal concerns. So that's why cash offers are king once again. There's also a lot of talk about delays in the new construction segment due to building material supply shortages. And that's a real thing. New home builders are being faced with tremendously increased lumber costs and other materials. Paint is even at a shortage. And that's why it's so challenging to buy a house right now in the new home market and move in soon. If you're going to be a home buyer in the new home arena, expect for your home to take between 9 to 12 months to be built. An 8-month build time is actually on the short end. Most builders are not even starting construction until the buyers are fully qualified and puts deposits down. All right, I'm going to keep it short and sweet this month. The market's tough. However, it's a good time to buy. Why is it a good time to buy? Interest rates are so low, high 2s, low 3s. Affordability is high. The average income is rising. And the national median home price shows that our houses are still affordable here in Las Vegas. If you want more details on your area, your house, any personal advice on your situation, utilize me. I'd love to put my 17 plus years of real estate experience to work for you. Thanks for watching. Paul Benedict signing off. Thank you. See you next month.